Well, from wildfires to flash flooding, which remains a threat in the Southwest, it's turned into some close calls for some people, but frantic searches for others, swept up in that rushing water. News Nation's Courtney Allen joining us live from her Albuquerque station, KRQE. So, Courtney, that water just moves in so quickly.
Absolutely, Nicole. First, we start in Rio Verde, Arizona, just northeast of Phoenix. Watch as this SUV is swept up in flash floods and flips over with a father and son inside. As their wife and mother watches on, brave bystanders jump into action. Local news reports say they saw the boy in the window and pulled him out. They tied ropes together to go in and rescue them both. There has been a GoFundMe set up to replace the car. Just under 2 hours north of Phoenix, professional crews and volunteers there are still searching for 16-year-old Faith Moore. She got caught up in flash floods Saturday in her car, and she has not been seen since. Overnight, the local sheriff's office says they've searched 5 million square feet using 4 thermal drones. And here in Albuquerque, firefighters found the body of a second person today in an arroyo or canal. The woman was swept away in flash floods yesterday as one other person was rescued. This comes just a few weeks after 3 people died in those same channels in flash floods. Nicole, back to you.
Oh, such a dangerous, deadly situation. All right, Courtney, thank you.